Hello everyone. In this video, AutoFace will guide you on how to create a script for automatically watch story. First, head to the script manager to create a new script. Select Create a new script. Under the General Command group, hover over the Watch Story command, then click and drag it to the right-hand panel. Click on the three dots to access the Edit and Delete options, then choose Edit. You can now set up the commands as desired. Simply adjust the parameters to your preferences. The number of stories determines how many stories each account will view. Setting it to 3 to 6 will randomly select between 3 to 6 stories per account. Watching time per story specifies how long to pause on each story. Under Randomly React, you can choose the type of reaction you want. The system will randomly select reactions. Now, just connect the Starting Point button to the Watch Story command button, and you're all set. You should retest your script by clicking on the debug icon to check if there are any errors. To test your script, click the play button and select a profile to test it with. Once created, name your script and click Save. Your newly created script will appear under Your Scripts. To run this script, return to the main screen. Select the profiles you want to run it with, then hit Run. Select the Watch Story script you just set up. Before running the script, you can select the Automation Setting button to set the parameters. After setup is complete, click Run to run the script. That's how you create an automated script to view stories and boost your accounts on AutoFace. For further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact AutoFace's support team via live chat, Facebook, or Skype. Wishing you all the best of success.